Today, we'll show you how to use the Solution Template JobTicket to digitally capture, manage, and resolve all inquiries. Create a new ticket or task with just one click. Enter the classification, the priority, and a short description. You can also attach files and specify affected employees who should be notified. To process inquiries, you can choose between two procedures. Choosing the Classic view, you will access tickets via your inbox. An intelligent user and rights management, as well as search options and filters, facilitate traceability. Work even more agile with the Kanban board. Thereby, you will achieve the best possible overview. 5 clearly structured categories show the status quo of a request. Work from left to right and simply move the ticket by drag and drop. But there is more. In addition to the ticket number and the ticket cause, you can also see if there are any priority and processing window. The color ray indicates whether you are still on schedule. With one more click, you can open the ticket and edit it directly. First, classify the request. Assign it to a specific job function or employee. Define further processing steps and assign additional employees involved. In the category Activities, you can keep track of whether a task has already been completed or not. In the Queries tab, you can consult any number of colleagues and assign tasks within the ticket without leaving the program. Finally, determine which employee should be notified in a particular case. Enter your text directly into the JobRouter dialog, upload files, and dispatch everything without an additional mail client. You work in one singular interface at all times, while accessing functions and competencies from multiple departments. Even time-consuming monitoring is a thing of the past. With the help of the live counter, you can record the processing time to the second. The summed time is transferred to your database and saved. Now we are almost there. Close the inquiry or release it for further processing.